When you share a home. Any way you slice it, going through a difficult time when you share a home is stressful. 1. Schedule a regular, couples meeting. We advise scheduling a certain time each week for you and your partner to discuss more challenging subjects like money, sex, and trust so that these don't permeate all of your interactions. 2. Recognize how to compromise. Give and take are necessary in every relationship. Being understanding of the other person's needs and preferences while maintaining your own might promote more pleasure and fulfillment when you share a small space. 3. Socialize with acquaintances who are not in your relationship. Spending time with friends can have a significant impact on your mental health and help you feel more confident in who you are. Keep in mind that maintaining a connection with your partner requires living a life separate from your partnership. 4. Make loving physical touch with someone. We advise couples to give each other regular, present tense, connected hugs. Hugging or holding hands generates oxytocin, which can lower stress and improve happiness. This may be more difficult to accomplish if your current relationship is not good. Start off gently by merely placing your hand on theirs to demonstrate that you are still interested in them. 5. Don't be hooked on romance. Deep-level intimacy is about creating a satisfying and meaningful relationship that isn't always based on romantic expression. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.